Hello, dear friends, teachers, colleagues. Your inspiration has prompted me to make a video on brochure designing and certificate creation. So, in the present situation, when we are teaching online, we are making use of all available tools. So, we have also become a part of technology as well, and we become a little bit of experts in this as well. So instead of depending on our students in preparing all these things, we can do it ourselves if we have a little bit of time and interest to spare. So that has made me prepare this video for your benefit, for which purpose I am using a very simple tool. So here I will be making use of an app called or an online app called Canva. Now there are so many number of apps available in our mobile phones as well as on the system if you want to create brochures or posters or flyers or even presentation templates or even certificates. But I found this very simple and easy to use, and you can create any number of templates which will always be available under this category, all your designs. So whatever I have prepared till date is available in all your designs. See, so this is the benefit I found in this app. So we never lose it. The only thing is you have to sign in using your mail ID, and if you log in using the same ID, you will always find your designs under this category. And on logging into this page, you can see create a design. So many templates are available for your usage. It's available under different categories as well: personal, school, video, prints, documents, social media. So from social media, for the time being, I am not from social media, from events, I am selecting a brochure. So this is what we use most nowadays, since our institutions are conducting large number of webinars and so on. So I clicked on brochure, and under brochure you will see a large number of templates on your left hand side. So from that you can select whichever appeals to you the most. See, so many number of templates are available. Now since we belong to the education sector, I am choosing one from college brochure. So I am selecting this. There are two types available. It comprises of the front page and the back page. But since we are circulating this online, we may need only one page. So I am using one page now. Now here, this is the template that I have received, and some writings are already put in over here which we can edit. Just double click on this, select the entire thing and delete, and type in your own institution's name. Okay, so that becomes the name of my institution. If you want to anything, you can add your department name to it if you want. Okay, so that is sufficient. If you want to increase the size of the name of the department or anything, it's available over here. See, so this is what is available. It is now viewable. That would be adequate. If you want to change the font, it is available here. Any number of different varieties of fonts are available. What is shown here in this is payable, so we don't need to use that. Otherwise itself there are plenty of options available which you can use. If you want to make the name of the college a bit more attractive, you can double click on that again. So I will use a better font over there, maybe a broader one. Okay, so that looks better. Again, under contact also you can do any changes and so on. You can double click on anything that is written over here and make the necessary changes. Okay, now what we are going to see is, if you want to change this photo, you want to insert the picture of your own college, you just go to your left hand side, below templates you can see uploads. Click on that. If you don't have any picture available over here, you can upload an image or video from your system. See, you can go to C drive or D drive or E drive and add any video. See, and that is another important feature that makes Canva very distinct. You can insert video also over here. Short videos may be added, and that you can download it as videos. That option is also available in Canva. See, you can either make a video or even a small GIF also is possible using Canva. If you are circulating it in mobiles and all in WhatsApp groups, naturally you can use a GIF. So here I am going to insert the picture of my college. Okay, I want this to go back, send to back. See, we can adjust and do that. So this becomes a very personalized photo of your own college, a brochure of your college. So this is what you can add. If you want to add additional texts than these 3 text boxes, you can either copy paste one extra box, or you can go here and add a text. Here another variety is that you will get any size text templates from here. If you are adding this, you will get a big heading. If you add this, you will get a smaller version of that, and if this a small, very small size. So these are the different options that is available in Canva. You can even add this also. Okay, so that font will be available if you write anything over here. See, you can change the wordings, but the font will be like this one. So various options are available over here. If you want to change the color of this font, that is also available. Instead of white, you want to make it like, we'll make it red. So convener has become red. You can change the color of the college also. It is already broad. If you want to make this broad, then you can either click broad here. You can make the alignments either left, right or center. You can add bullets and so on, underline, capital letter or small letters can, then the space between the lines also can be adjusted using this. These are various options available. Another important thing is, when you are adding the picture, if you want to make that appear not so prominent, then you can make it increase or decrease the transparency. See, so that looks very beautiful, better than the projecting of the picture. And finally, after doing all your editings, you can even change the background, but that is not useful over here because we have already added this background. And finally, to download, you have so many options. You can either download it in the form of PNG or JPG or PDF, video or GIF. And with that, your brochure is saved to your system and it will be forever remain in your mail ID. So this is how Canva is useful for us, our brochure making. Thank you.